Busy roads and busy minds can cause distractions for even the best drivers. And it only takes a moment of distraction for a simple maneuver to become trouble. Would driving patterns change if you had a virtual coach to help drivers correct their actions while driving? Zone Defense introduces ZonePro ADAS, a virtual coach tool that uses actionable voice prompts to alert drivers to dangerous behaviors. ZonePro ADAS consists of 3 easy-to-use components. The ZonePro camera is the eyes of the system that watches what happens through the windshield. Following too close. Driving over posted speed limit. The ZD Drive mobile app is the brains of the system that translate what was seen. The app determines when a coachable event occurred, notifies the driver, and captures the information that is important to you. The coach's portal stores the information from the mobile app. Managers can easily view relevant event information. Visit Zone Defense to learn how ZonePro ADAS provides your fleet with a virtual coach to keep your drivers alert and get them home safely.